Hi student, this is Sukumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 8, continuation of exercise 8.2, now problem number 17. The mean breaking strength of cables supplied by a manufacturer is 1800 with a standard deviation of 100. Okay, so 1800, that is a population mean, here it is, and the population standard deviation is 100, that is sigma. Okay, now by a new technique in the manufacturing process, it is claimed that the breaking strength of the cable has increased. In order to test this claim, a sample of 50 cables. Sample of 50 cables, that is a sample size. Sample size, that is 50. That is represented by the letter N. It is found that the mean breaking strength is 1850. The sample mean, that is represented by X bar, that is equal to 1850. Can you support the claim at 0.01 level of significance? Okay, so again I tell you, sample size given, sample mean, that is X bar given, population mean is given, and population standard deviation also given. Now we have to verify that due to that new technology, the strength of the cable is increased or not. So we can go for a testing hypothesis. As usual, we start with null hypothesis. Null hypothesis, that is represented by H naught. You know that H naught such that mu is equal to mu naught. Mu, that is equal to mu naught. What is mu naught? 1800. Okay. So we are assuming that due to a new technology, the breaking system of the cable is not increased. Look at the word increased. This is very important. Okay. Now we can go for that complement of null hypothesis, that is alternative hypothesis. Alternative hypothesis, that is H1. Now we have to verify the question. So look at the word increased. Since you are given the word increased, what I have given here, for increasing you have to consider mu is greater than mu naught. Here, such that mu is greater than mu naught. Mu naught, that is 1800. Since H1 such that mu is greater than mu naught, because it is a right-tailed test. Since right-tailed test, because of the word increased. Okay, therefore the statement is contrary to the statement here. Due to new technology, the breaking system of the cable is, what I mentioned here, not increased, so that I have to mention is increased. Okay, here not increased, here you have to write increased. 2 stages over. Now can go for the third stage, that is level of significance. Level of significance. that is represented by the letter alpha. Given alpha, that is equal to 0.01, that is equal to 1 divided by 100, that is equal to 1%. Now from the table, now look at the table here. Right-tailed test for 1%, the value is Z alpha. Don't mention modulus. Modulus only for the two-tailed test, because we have a left tail as well as right tail, both negative and positive. That's why it has been mentioned modulus. Here no modulus at all. So Z alpha value is 2.33. Once again I tell you, right-tailed test 1%, 2.33. Z alpha, that is equal to 2.33. To that over. Now the fourth stage, that is test of a statistic. Test statistic, that is using the formula Z, that is equal to x bar minus mu divided by sigma by root 10. That's the formula. Okay, now x bar, that is equal to, here it is 1850. Mu, that is equal to 1800 divided by sigma, that is equal to 100, n, that is equal to 50. 100 divided by root n, so root 50, that is equal to 1850 minus 1800, that is equal to 50 divided by 100 divided by root 50. Root 50 you can write 25 into 2. 25 into 2, that is equal to root 50. That is equal to 50 divided by 100 divided by, you know that root 25 is 5 and root 2 is root 2. Square root of 2 is root 2 only. That is equal to 50, division become multiplication. You can write the reciprocal. The reciprocal is 5 root 2 divided by 100. 5 root 2 divided by 100, you can cancel by 50 table. How many times? 2 times. That is equal to 5 into root 2, approximate value is 1.414. Okay, note, root 2 approximate value is 1.414 divided by 2 equals, then multiply. Before that you can simplify. If you simplify, you will be getting 2 table 0.707. 0.707 into 5 equals 3.535. That is the value of Z. Therefore, modulus of Z equals modulus of 3.535, that is equal to 3.535. So it is an absolute value, always positive only. Modulus is always positive only. Now, write the result. Since 3.535, which is greater than 2.33. Look at that Z alpha value, that is 2.33. So this is modulus of Z. This one is Z alpha, right? Modulus of Z is greater than Z alpha. Look at that. If modulus of Z is greater than Z alpha, the null hypothesis is rejected. The null hypothesis is rejected. Therefore, which one is accepted? Alternative hypothesis is accepted. Therefore, alternative hypothesis, that is H1, null hypothesis, that is H0. is accepted. Finally, have tried the result, that is inference. So we are accepting only alternative hypothesis. What has been given here? Due to new technology, the braking system of the cable is increased. That is a result. Due to new technology, the braking system of the cable is increased at 1% level of significance, because 1% is given in the question. This is a result. Problem number 17 is completed. Thank you, children.